We was getting ready to go camp. She's running from this bee. Ah! VanLife introverts. VanLife introverts. Roll out. Roll out the top back.
They're hysterical.
Finally got the van back. Here it is. I was like number 13189. And getting ready to test it out for the first time. I don't even know how it works. I barely remember what was wrong with it. I'm supposed to have a new alternator. They told me if I didn't pay.
If warranty didn't pay.
If warranty didn't, they said this alternator was $5,800. That's what they was trying to get me for.
Does it look new?
Oh yeah, it looks brand new. See if I can get the shot. So there it is, looking brand spanking new, which is a good thing. And I can't tell what my water lines look like. Hopefully the belt didn't recross any water lines or anything that made me forget. Basically, remember all the problems? It's been like 4 months. And Rusty, yeah, I kind of let them keep the van because I wasn't using it. It was freezing cold, so it was really no big deal. But it just started getting warm. We was actually going to camp this weekend at our favorite campground, and it's all booked up, maybe because of Easter Sunday. So, and it's still a nasty day. We got thunderstorms coming in.
You
might not even be able to hear me because it's so windy.
It's very windy, yeah.
But let's get inside and see what.
All right, let's see.
Oh my gosh.
We're happy though.
Smiley, you need new smileys.
Oh, why'd they take them off?
Maybe they looked at the snaps.
Oh.
Forgot how to turn thing on.
There we go. We have. Ugh, look at all that dirt.
So this wasn't covered, and all it is. So this whole thing will come out due to some snaps on this side.
Yeah.
They said that's not under warranty. How is that my fault? What what did I do to have this thing break on the back? And it's just unbelievable. You spend this much money on these RVs.
Some of the smileys are gone. Okay, go ahead.
Yeah, maybe
there was a whole row of them. Sorry.
Spend all of this money on these RVs and oh no, they barely didn't even want to cover the alternator. So anyway, I'm gonna start it up and hopefully everything works. I forgot what it looks like. Baby, still got one and crackers in here.
We do.
I don't know if they have this parked in the inside. It's been very cold, so it doesn't look like anything busted, water lines. I'm sure they would have told me and charged me about $8,000 or something. All right, everything looks good.
All right, let's hear it run, babe. It's been a while. Now, on here, it should show us.
Here I go. Here. Did they change this thing? Babe, this is different.
Oh, it is. Go home. Go up to the home.
It's here, and then there was a button right here. There's a network. This has changed. It's
now
like
go
they
to the second
updated.
button. The second up right there. Where is all the stuff?
Anyway, I was able to, right here it said, here it is.
There we go.
See, I got constant current volts. So that changed though, right? That changed, unless has it been that long? Because it's been 4 months. I think it changed. They might have did an update.
Yeah.
Anyway, but when it's charging, we have 53.2 volts, so it's fully charged. So I might not see it work because this is gonna say bulk charging or something right in that box right there. And I always had that, but it never charged until that one day I looked at the alternator. I was kind of real because of the water, And then that's when I seen it was exploded. So it was a funny thing because he said, oh man, that alternator was totally exploded inside, right? He said it was nothing left. So that's what happened to the alternator. They put that new one on. I was like, did you test it? He thought it was kind of a stupid question. And I was like, because I never seen it work. Oh yeah, we tested, we put it in, we ran it, so I'm like, all right, we'll see. So funny thing, like this is a new van. That alternator looks newer than anything in here. Meaning, how come it didn't look that new before?
Yeah.
Isn't that kind of
It is, yeah.
The other one was looking a little rusty, maybe it was underwater. I don't know.
I think that they had issues with that radiator hose before, and it had leaked all over that radiator, causing it to be compromised, and then it busted. They thought, well, we're going to leave it like it is. Let's just replace the hose. We don't care where we put the hose, even if it runs up against a belt, and left it at that.
And it's something in that aspect, because when we bought the van new, the radiator, let's go look at that. The radiator fluid it needed something.
Oh, we need to,
It
yes.
was brand new.
Here, hold this, babe.
But it wasn't brand new because it had 600 miles on it, so people were running it. But,
yeah, Matt's RV ran it.
That's right. But it was brand new. So let's go ahead and look. I think it might need some water. If it does, it's not alarming, because
Somebody's going home with their new or their fixed pull along.
Almost look like they added some right now.
Huh.
So before, one of the things when I started knowing the alternator was bad, it was, I heard this, I didn't know what it was, a lot of moving parts under there. And then I think when I started having water issues, that's when now my ear is under there, and I was like, wait a minute. Then I had the water issues. Now I'm looking really hard, and that's when I saw the pieces sticking out and the shrapnel and all that stuff. So I think when it was about to blow or just blew or something like that.
Well, there was that one time we were driving on the road, and we heard this loud noise. Do you remember that, babe?
I remember that.
We heard this really loud noise, and we were driving. We were singing actually, and then we heard this loud noise, and then we were like, "What?" And I tried to look back in the side view mirror to see if. Why am I talking to the camera as if though?
Yeah. Tell your story, babe.
So we were sitting inside of the van singing, and we were on our way to whatever we were gonna do, and then we hear this loud boom, and we were like, "What was that?" And I looked on the side view mirror to see if maybe we were thinking maybe we just kind of hit a hole in the road or a metal plate or something, but no, I think that's what it was.
That's right. You might have remembered the spot of the explosion, the actual explosion, because it didn't in the beginning, but I think it was messed up. Maybe volts were still going. I don't know anything about alternators.
Oh.
But anyway, we just getting ready to go camp. She's running from this bee. Ah! She's running from this bee. Oh, they're gonna go. And I was gonna say you gotta drive it.
No, I'm driving your car.
She's running from this bee. I'm like, how are we supposed to camp? We about to go in the home of the bees. So, anyway, I hope this video is coming out good. It's really windy,
but we're gonna post it anyway.
Yeah, we'll make it short because we don't know what the quality is like on this. Anyway, it's back, and hopefully we can do some camping pretty soon.
Yes.
All right.
Bye.